का मतलब ये था, इनफैक्ट we had received invitation from our station that the team has performed so well, and all the senior cricketers who have been associated with J&K, they should come and celebrate the day. That is the main objective of, and providing a chance to the journalists so that they can interact with us and get a feedback from. That is the main objective of the press conference.
सर बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस रही हमारी टीम की इस बार। एक लीड जो रह गई ये सिर्फ अब उसे बदकिस्मती ही इसे ताबीर कर सकते हैं हम। क्या समझते हैं अगर उमरान मलिक और रासिक होते तो शायद ये लीड भी हमारे हक में जाती?
देखिए, मैंने पहले ही अपने स्टेटमेंट में कहा कि these things have always happened and will continue to happen. If you remember, there are teams who scored. I remember a test match where teams scored 580 in the first inning, and then towards the end they had to score 100 in the last inning to win the match. They lost the test match. Where we feel really sorry that such a thing happened, but these will continue to happen. If you remember, there's a last inning wicket. I remember there was a match between Pakistan and New Zealand where last wicket Bob Cunis and Brian Hastings, they scored something around 160 runs for the last. I'm not very sure about the number, but this happened and they lost the match. So we should maybe there have been lapses here and there. We could improve in catching and fielding. That's how we expect things to go in a
सर, आज आपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बुलाई तो खुशी का मौका है
जी।
तो ये बताइए कि कौन सी चेंजेस हुई, जैसा कि आप कहते हैं कि एक ख्वाब सा बना हुआ था किसी टीम के साथ जीतना, किन चेंजेस पर अपनी ये फतह हासिल हुई? चेंजेस क्या हुई?
मैं अपनी बात कहता हूँ, मैं अपनी बात, हाउ आई लुक एट cricket on the basis of my association with cricket. There was a time when we had to motivate people to play cricket. Aaj the basic difference is people have started taking it as a profession. You find parents coming with kids to the stadium and spending almost 5 to 6 hours with them every day. I remember we used to skip our schools and see that, make sure that our parents don't see us going to cricket field. That is the main difference. That's the main difference now and then.
Sir, this is Sarosh from Network 18. My question is that, not that I'm being cynical about it, because I'm a cricket aficionado, so I want to understand. Association has been plagued with so many controversies. We are unable to generate world-class cricket players across Jammu and Kashmir, barring a few. जिस पे हम लोग we are riding on. Recently, Akib is there and Rasik and all. But then why aren't they sustaining in international cricket matches? Like we see people predominantly from Maharashtra, Punjab, and Delhi clubs. So why aren't we able to produce such?
I am so happy you have a question that touched my heart. I am reminded of a match that जब मैंने पहले बात की वेस्ट इंडीज और इंडिया के मैच की. I had the privilege of being, आप मेरे को पता नहीं, आप समझते होंगे ये कोई छोटा आदमी है एज के हिसाब से. I am 74 years old, शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. I was in charge of the ground with Pajnu Saab as my convener and Mr. Koyum as the grounds committee come member थे हम. We prepared this wicket for West Indies and Indian match. मैं बिल्कुल वसू के साथ कहता हूँ कि तब जाके जब ये स्टेडियम 10-20 हमारे जो यहाँ ऑफिस बेयरर्स थे, they were very, very influential people in the sense they were close to the higher ups in the association. They would get most of the things done on their professional lives, not because there was no money available. And with very, very meager resources, we managed to conduct 3 one-day matches. I think this is the tragedy that this place, which is a priceless piece of land for all of us, and I must salute all those people who have created this infrastructure for us. I tell you, the biggest contribution of our seniors is that they may not have paid us a lot of money by way of match money, but ये सबसे बड़ा हमारे लिए गिफ्ट ये है, और सबसे बड़ी खदमत होगी एसोसिएशन की. इस एसोसिएशन की सबसे बड़ी खदमत होगी अगर इस स्टेडियम को ये ठीक कर सकते हैं. और साथ ही साथ हमने जम्मू में भी एक आलिशान स्टेडियम होना चाहिए. नॉट ओनली प्रोविंशियल हेड स्टेडियम्स, हमारे हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में टर्फ विकेट्स होने चाहिए. दैट्स हाउ वी कैन सस्टेन दिस एंड हैव. आप देखिए कि आपके क्वालिटी में कोई परेशानी नहीं है. लुक एट आकिब, Usage perhaps 6 5-wicket falls away. Huh? He is knocking at the doors of India, but we need to sustain and enhance his potential by providing facilities, by providing infrastructure and competitive cricket. Not only infrastructure. It's not only infrastructure that has helped people to grow. It is only the competitive cricket and your drive for the association. Drive of the association will matter.